Hi folks, today we come to a special plugin I really like. I found this one on iPad first, and then I got the version for Bitwig as well. And you really have to check this out. If you are loving grain synthesis and grain samplers, check this out. Let's dive in. So what we have here is the plugin itself from Aqeel Aadam Sound, if I pronounce this well, and it records any kind of signal into the plugin and then transforms it into textures, delays, shimmer, reverbs, whatever you want to do out of it. And so you have three options, three tabs here, like for the buffer, for the loopers, and how it moves through the recorded audio. And you can, in the buffer, you can choose between auto recording, classical recording, and file import. Just to show you how it works with the auto recording, if it comes, you have this threshold here. And if I play something on a synth and it reaches that circle, then it records it into and transforms it from all the settings you do here. If you want to clear it out, then you press long that X, let it go, and the buffer is clear again. Then you can start over. And you can have multiple layers and switch through the recording as well. So if I you see, you have now 5 layers, and you see also on the graphics that there are some layers in the background where you can actually switch between them. So like this. What I really like on this plugin is if you go with your mouse somewhere, it explains what it actually does for each knob and parameter, which is a cool thing. So it's not really needed to have the manual open and go through the whole PDF. So let's explore a bit what it can do. So what I choose here now is the file import. And wait a second, I put the hold on infinite, so it's constantly playing. Choose a drum loop. And then you can decide how much of the buffer size you want to use for the playback. So you can achieve quite nice effects. Or you can blur it out. With this one you can say in which direction it plays, so it's ping pong, it goes back and forth. You can also change the size of the looper, pitch it up. You can make it really small. If you change the end position quite close to the start position, it really creates stuff out nicely. Cool effects. Crunchy. Take the blur. You can search for a different part of the buffer and then play around with it. So it's a really nice effect actually, and it's worth checking out because this guy is a genius in the stuff he does. He has other plugins as well. One is called, check it out, Waymaker, which is a sequencer, and Weeping Wall as well, which is also a crane sampler but in a different type. So if you are loving granular stuff, then you really should check this out. It's really fun to play around with. Thanks for watching. See you next time.